if you notice, I have my creative arts. What is the meaning of my arts? Why I create this one? Why I paint this one? So this painting is represent of enlightenment. If you notice in our enlightenment from the beginning, we need to heal the 7 chakras of our body. They have 7 chakras in our body. So need to align every one of them, open each our chakras, and it's a part of our healing. From creativity, from our bones, need the light to travel with that in our creativity from our hands. And sacral chakras is connected to our parents, connected into our body from our navel. So our sacral chakras, I have a lot of blockades with that when I was healing. A lot of blockades, a lot of births, a lot to letting go, and a lot to believe in myself, in my creation. And it's the represent to connect with the heart, to align into the heart, to shine the light in my heart, in my radiant light, in all my beings, but mostly from my heart connect into my eye. So my heart can give the light, more opening into the eye, or the eye into the heart. I coming back for the heart into the eye, from the eye into the heart. It's a part of the healing and the expression of the word as I am. If you notice above, I have white is purity of thoughts, cleansing thoughts, because our thoughts, there's a lot of dirty thoughts. Mostly as an empath as I am, we surrounded with people and I can hear the thoughts of people, what they thinking, good or bad. So above is represent of the golden white, need to embody the Holy Spirit. And each line of it is the traveling of the light in our body to light up in each chakras of it. So from the mind or from the spectrum, I travel from behind the bones into the lower back and cleanse with that in the dormant part of ourself. From lower, after all, from above to below. From below, I come back into above to open it to be the radiant light in align to this temple of our body. To awaken the light and enlighten our body. And brown is represent of the grounded into the earth. Our body is belong to the earth. So I use brown as represent. Everyone, they have their own color to choose. So I choose brown to represent my body, to be grounded into the earth. And align to the full moon, the healing of the full moon. So I put that round different color, and it was represent of the full moon to align the blessing, knowledge and words in the gift of the creation of God within our soul. And the light travel from above to below, below to above, for a healing and receive the gift, opening more gift of God. The sacral chakras, a lot I heal with it. To believing in my self-esteem, to believe myself, and to express more. The third eye wasn't that easy, that we say, open the eye of God. The eye of God, there is a lot of it step by step. It wasn't that easy. As all the chosen say, they overcome the darkness to see that basic knowledge and basic ability. The basic ability is different kind of abilities. We can see the past, we can see the present. We can feel the present and can see the future. We can come back to the past to heal what is not healed from our parents, from our ancestors. In the present is to cleansing the 7 chakras of our body, to align each light of them, to give enlighten in our body. And imagine the radiant light was shining each every one of them. The eye and the thoughts in the hearing of the words is connected together. As they say, as Akashic record, they are all connected. You can feel the body of other people. They can feel their sickness. They can feel their pain. And you can feel how they treat you sometimes when you feel a stomach ache in your stomach. Sometimes there's a gaslighting or someone they have feeling ill. So the stomach can tell everything, how people around you. Can you feel your stomach? Your heart can feel how love they love to you because the love is can tell. You can feel it from the heart. And creativity, more awaken, the creative of God. It's aligned of each every one of them. In the dormant part of ourself, it's rise again to the orange of the light. Light up that creativity. Light up the light of the Holy Spirit and clean that doormat. I represent that gold in white. White is purity, gold is a triumph in victory, as a healing. But there was an orange with it. I put a little orange to light up the fire. But after that fire, we connect. I connect into the light of purity of the Holy Spirit. If you say I will back to the third eye there's a lot. The eye in the crown, in the hearing, in the expression of the word. As you reach the Akashic record, imagine sometimes the divine matter or the universe or the Akashic record. There's a lots of thoughts between positive and negative. We need to be aware what we're thinking for because sometimes it's bounced back to us. Even me, I experienced with it. I heard all the past. As the union connected into the past, good and bad, I will need to overcome with that. As a Christ died in the cross, as his advanced physic, knowledge, ability, after that one, at the top is the purity of the crown, the Holy Spirit rise into the peace. I sleep peaceful at night, straight. I sleep so good in every night that I want to sleep. But the eye is the eye. There was a time I battle with that. Not only can say all good, but sometimes when you heard people intention, not only people, a friend, in family, you need to be calm, a very calm of it, or even connection that detesting it to you. There was a test. If Christ is being tested, I did that many times. Sometimes it takes practice to have a power within that no one can ruin your day. No past can hurt you into the present. Or the eye can physic ability that no matter what you see, you need to calm with that. Opening of the eye, you need to be ready with that. There's a lots of eye. I awaken once. While I awaken that eye, I shed my tears and don't stop crying. That awake, awake, awake for the pain I feel. I know, Father, why I cry. I know why in the past, in the river. From the past, from the eye to the eye. It was here into the present. They will vanish because of their sin. Before, I don't believe God will vanish in the sin because I know God is pure. But sometimes we should know what creation we give it and bounce back in return into this planet, into each good creation that we have. Every thought we have is heard. Every thought we have is recorded into the Akashic record. Everything they did to us, we cannot run away from it, but we need to face it. Sometimes I freak out. Just say, oh, I seal the eye. It wasn't that easy. The eye is the eye. The eye of God is the eye of God. Even my name is Rema. I have struggled to overcome it too. No one knows what the struggle with is. The eye is the eye. Need to rise the light. Need to be calm. But you cannot control the intention of other people. You cannot control your surrounding. You cannot control the thoughts of another. But you need to believe in the enlightenment that you will make it no matter how hard it is. The breath into the breath, the eye into the eye, the light into the light. I am in the enlightenment. It was promise, it's promise. I believe the promise. I walk in my journey, it never be filled. It was hurt, but I accept the hurt. I accept the failures. But the gift, it will rise and rise. It was, I choose it. I choose the magic, I choose the miracles. I choose unconditional love. And I know at the day will come, start in this present, I bring victory into my life, My enlightenment is the best happening to my life. And I know myself, I know my power, I know my gift, and more to go. Not mean that I have that all. Have everything. I am grateful, and more to go, more to awaken, more to embody the universe within, in all the goddesses, in all the light are with me in this trouble. I wish to all of you, I can be a good influence and I can light up my light to you all, including our friends. But I wish to my children and my family that you hear me, you feel my heart, you feel my love, and a good influence to you in this journey that the most I love, I teach my children, my values and my virtues, and open your gift within. It wasn't easy, as Christ has said, but keep going. I am with you in this journey. Everything you need is provided. You love and you're chosen. You're here because you're brave enough. You're here because you are strong. You're here because you make it. And I know I make it. I survived in all the worst before. And I survived everything. Alas, I will be overcome. Thank you to all of you. I wish I could be a light of the pathway of the light. Come and walk with me. We walk together, and I witness you all how beautiful, painful, but it's worthy, the magic and miraculous of the Christ within our soul. Thank you.